Right. Good evening, everyone. Online students, good evening. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Kindly please respond to me in the chat for me, guys. Online students, please check. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Please respond to me in the chat for me. Sanket, can you hear me? Please respond to me in the chat. Perfect. Perfect. Very good. All right. Yeah. Very, very good, guys. So you can hear me. You can see the screen. All right. Let us start our today's session. So guys, yes, before starting our today's sessions, as always, let us just try to have a very, very small and a quick recap of the concepts which I had covered in our last class, that is in our yesterday's session. So from last 2 days onwards, we've been discussing about session management. Of course, we know what is a session, and we can manage a session by using 4 ways: cookies, HTTP sessions, URL rewriting, hidden form fields. Currently, we are discussing about cookies. So before that, day before yesterday, we completed this layout. Successfully, user registration is done. I guess everyone completed this. Right. Now, yesterday, we started with the second layout. So in this yesterday's layout, first we completed with the user login DAO. And after that, we contacted user login DAO by using user login servlet. So once after executing user login servlet, we should be able to display this home.jsp. That is, where is this home.jsp? Just a second. Did we create it yesterday, home.jsp? Yeah, of course. This is our home.jsp. So in the home.jsp, we have used view profile like an anchor tag. So as this is an anchor tag, obviously we need to use get method. So coming to view profile servlet, yesterday we wrote this. I did not explain this. Did I explain this? I did not explain this. We just wrote it and I said we will discuss this by today. Okay. Now, guys, we are discussing about session management. Yes. And we are dealing with cookies. In session management, we are dealing with cookie. Cookie. What do you mean by cookie? Cookie is a small piece of information which travels through multiple requests. The information will be same. And that information will be traveling from one request to another request. We can create multiple cookies and accordingly we can use that. For example, in our project, we created one cookie. Where we created our cookie? Where? In which servlet we have created our cookie? I'm sorry? View profile. Yeah. View profile. No. User login servlet, I guess. Yeah. In user login servlet, guys, please concentrate clearly. I want you to understand these two correctly. Okay. This is user login servlet. In user login servlet, all right. In line number 30, please concentrate line number 30. Listen. Right. In line number 30, we created a cookie class object. Okay. With the help of new keyword, we are creating an object. With the help of constructor, we are initializing that object. Now, this constructor is a default constructor or parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor. How many parameters? 2. First one is string. Consider that as a key. First one is string. Please consider that as a key. Second one is an object. Please consider that as its value. So this is the key. This is the value. Now, what is the name of our cookie name? I gave the cookie name as name only. I hope you are getting the point. Please respond. Yes? Okay. Now, thank you. Now here I'm once after creating the cookie, I added this cookie to my response and I send that response to home.jsp. Okay. Now inside this home.jsp, we are giving view profile and there is in this URL rewriting is there. I mean, URL is there view. If we give a click on view profile, obviously it will be redirected to view profile servlet. Yes or no? Now coming to view profile servlet. All right. Now inside this view profile servlet, we are using a method. What is that method? Get cookies method. Get cookies method is present in HTTP servlet request. Whenever we are using get cookies method, what happen, all the cookies which were present in your project will be returned in the form of an array. Array. You know what is an array, right? Array collects multiple elements of similar. Right now, that similar data type is cookie. Please respond. How many cookies we created in our project? Please respond. What is the key of that cookie? Key, name. Its value is first name. First name of the user. Come on. Now, concentrate clearly, guys. Cookie key is name. Its value is first name. Just keep that point in mind. Okay. Now, in this array, I don't know how many cookies are there. Name 1, name 2, name 3, name 4, name 5, name 6. Like that, you can have any number of cookies. I don't know which cookie, how many cookies we are having here. Am I clear with that? Okay, in our project, only one, but I'm speaking about in real time. In real time, there will be multiple cookies will be there. You need to you need to get which cookie name. Am I clear with that or not? Tell me. One more time I am saying, we need this cookie only. We need this cookie only. Come on, guys. So what I am doing, I'm just taking this is just like a local variable, normal local variable. If array is equal to null, when array will be null, if there are no cookies, then obviously that session is expired. And once if the session is expired, I'm forwarding it to register.jsp. And remember, in register.jsp, we are using request.get attribute message. Yes or no? If this request, if from here, if the request is going to register.jsp, there what would be the message will be displayed? Session is expired. I hope you're getting the point here. Please respond. What if, for example, here, from here, if the request is going, then what would be the value of that message? I hope you're getting the point here, right? Okay. Now, fine. We are not concerned about this one. Why? Because cookie is there. Now, coming to else block. Tell me, according to our project, if block or else block, which block will be getting executed? You need to respond. Else block will be executed. Inside the else block, I'm writing for each loop. You know what is the use of for each loop? What for each loop? By using for each loop, we can retrieve the data in an array. Okay. Right side of the colon. Tell me, what is this? Name of our array. Right side of the column, name of our array. Left side, I am taking exactly the same data type. It's just a data type. That's it. Not more than that. Come on. Okay. Now, if name, I know what is the name I given to my cookie. So I'm trying to use name. This is just a string value and equals. For example, Nana, listen to me once. Let us think that here, hang on. Okay, now here in my array, okay, now just 1, 2, 3, like this. Okay. Now here, this is name. name. This is something like name 1 or okay, name 2, name 3, name 4. These are the values, I mean cookies, cookie names, which are present in my cookie array. I hope you are understanding the point here. From this array, I am trying to retrieve each and every element. Is that clear? Now, what is the first element? It will be retrieved. I'm trying to retrieve that by using for each. With that for loop, I mean with that for each loop, I'm trying to retrieve the cookie now. That cookie name I'm trying to get by using get name method. Now tell me what it is going to return. Name of the cookie. What is the name of the cookie I have given here? Name. So here, what it is going to return? Name. Is that equals to name? Yes or no? Condition is true. Enter into the if block. Enter into the if block. And that cookie value, I'm trying to get it. What is that cookie value? F name. I mean, what is that F name? Kishan. Are you getting the respond, guys? That name I am assigning to my string value. Am I clear with that? For example, instead of name, let me go like, tell me one more better name. Go ahead. Tell me one more better name. Shall we go with CK name? Let's go with like this. CK name. Come on. Now, here what I need to write? Absolutely. I hope you understand the point here. So I'm going to write CK name. So if this cookie name is matching with this string value, that cookie value I'm trying to get it. And what is that cookie value? Username. What is the username? Kishan. And that name I'm assigning to my first name. This is a local variable. Please respond. Yes or no? And now I'm sending that, I'm setting that attribute here as F name and request dot get request dispatcher. I'm forwarding it to view profile dot JSP. Am I clear with this? Online students, I need your opinion here. Please respond to me in the chat. Then only I'll forward. I mean, then only I'll be able to continue. Please tell me, did you understand this simple, very, very, very simple logic? Very simple, Ra. Cookie will be like an array. Like whenever we are using this get cookies method, the data, whatever the cookies, how many cookies are present in your project, all the cookies will be coming in the form of an array. In that array, I want to get my cookie, which cookie I want. And that is this cookie, CK name. So whether it is matching or not, if it is matching, that cookie value, I'm trying to get it. How simple this is. Am I clear with this concept? Come on. All right. Now let's try to create our, and by the way, remember inside this F name, what is the value present? Yeah, Kishan, username. Yes or no? Remember that. Okay, let's try to create our JSP. Let's go. Right click on web app, go to new, create a JSP. And what is the name of that JSP? VIEW view PROFILE view profile.jsp. Okay, successfully we have created our JSP page. Now inside this JSP, okay, first let me just try to write this center tag, and now here I want to go with my scriptlet tag. Now here, okay, this is coming from view profile. So request dot set attribute. So here request request dot get attribute. And what is the name I have given? F name. Okay, and that is of type string equal to string. Just let me try to go like f name. It's not mandatory that you need to go with exactly the same name. It's your wish. Okay, f, I'll go with f underscore name. Fine. Now I want to display this. You know what? We are having application also. Application dot get attribute. What is the attribute name we have given for our application? Servlet context. Servlet context. Okay, you bean. Let me try to get that bean also. You bean. Okay, equal to, yeah, let me just try to typecast it into user bean. And here UB belongs to user bean. Okay, I'm trying to get my user bean also. Now after that, just out dot println, out dot println. Here, just let me try to use like double quotes h1. Okay, h1, and then out dot println. This SESS session belongs to simply I can write plus f underscore name, and I just want to write a break statement. Okay, done. After that, out dot println, out dot println, and here I'm going to get ub dot get username plus a small space plus ub dot get password small space plus ub dot get first name plus ub dot get last name plus ub dot get first name last name mail id and plus ub dot get phone number. And of course, let me just try to use break statement. And then I just want to close. Let me just try to close. And here, you home.jsp, I have this logout. Let me use this logout here. Let me execute. Right click, run as, run on server. Okay. Let me stop the server. And now username Kishan, password 1234, login, view profile. I'm giving a click on view profile. So yeah, this session belongs to Kishan and these are my values. These are my values. And of course, there is an option for me to log out. That's it. But you know what, guys, just a second. Okay, first try to execute this, then we'll speak. Execute this code. First execute. Please make sure to add these edit profile and logout also. We want to edit now. Online students, if completed, kindly please try to message me in the chat. All right. How many of you done? Raise your hands, please. 1 minute. One more minute. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. 1 minute. Please cross check. After writing the code, execute and check. Are you able to get the web page like this or not? Okay. Time's up. Okay, guys, listen to me once. Listen. Listen. Here, whenever we are trying to display, fine. What is this? What is this? How can you display the password? You should not display the password. Do one thing. Whenever you're displaying the password, you just need to display starting letter and ending letter. Are you understanding? Whenever you're displaying the password, you just need to display starting letter and ending letter. Remaining, just try to keep stars. Print stars. Means, for example, okay, you are trying to print something data like this, right? My intention is print like this. Start. Hmm. Did you understand my requirement? Carry on. Generally, in our emails also, we'll be getting like this only. Mail has sent to, OTP has sent to, starting letters you will be getting, right? Like that. But I want starting and ending. Middle, stars. How many characters are left behind? I don't mind. Just print stars. Ritesh, you are on the right track. Go ahead. Which logic you are going to use, I don't mind. You can use anything, buddy. This is my requirement. Just make it happen. Yes, that is good. Shall I give you the logic? No? Try. By the way, Monday also we'll be having a session. I think I already told you. Yes? Monday also we'll be having a class. Remember that. I'll wait for another 2 minutes. Online students, if anyone completed my requirement, please message me. Up to now, only one person messaged me. And please don't use online help. Don't take online help. Good job. Ritesh, good job. One last minute. And done. Time up, time up, time up, time up. Eyes on the board. Okay. Basically, here. The problem is here, right? Are yes or no? Copy. You know that inside these two tags, basically that is a scriptlet tag. We can write any valid Java code. All right. Just I'll do one thing. It is going to go with more lines of code. Let me make this simple. Done. Understood? That's it. Done. Completed. With why that much of complicated? Enough. Done. Completed. Omkar, if you want how many digits present between first and last element, those number of stars, then obviously you can use replace method. Otherwise, use split method. Use split method. Whenever you are using split method, entire data will be coming like an array. In that array, leave first and last, remaining all replace with star. Write the logic. That's it. I believe you're getting the point, Omkar. Yeah, that's it. Not more than that. See, guys, the only thing is core Java. If you know core Java correctly, according to our requirements, we can use it. Okay. So basically, this is the code. If anyone wants to take it, feel free to go ahead. Actually, we can use caret method also to make that happen. We'll be using for loop. Take the length, use for loop, leave first and last elements, remaining all converted into star. Completed, done. Lot of options are there. That is the reason I said string is the most frequently commonly used data type. Is it done? Is it done? Okay. Then in this anchor tag, guys, here, in this anchor tag, I gave edit profile dot JSP. You know what? Let's try to go to this JSP from the servlet so that we'll be able to use the cookies also. So instead of edit profile servlet, just give it edit, edit, just simple edit. Now, whenever I gave a click on edit, if I gave a click on edit, it should be redirecting to edit profile servlet. So let's try to create edit profile servlet. From edit profile servlet, we'll be trying to work with edit profile.jsp. So Let us try to create edit profile servlet. New class, edit profile servlet. Okay. Edit profile servlet. Now here extends HTTP servlet. HTTP servlet and annotation. What is the annotation we need to give here? Edit /edit edit. That's exactly what I give here. Edit. Okay. Edit. And now PROTECTD protected void. Please tell me, do get or do post? Do get or do post? Do get. Press. Now parameter just at the rate override. Okay. Now HTTP servlet request REQ comma HTTP servlet response RES throws servlet exception comma IO exception. Done. Now here in view profile servlet, whatever the code I have written, I'm going to write exactly the same code. But right now, I'm going to forward this to edit profile.jsp. Same. I'm just trying to get the cookie. Same scenario. Same as it is, same code. But the only difference is I'm trying to send to edit profile.jsp. Edit profile.jsp. So, can you please try to have this? View profile.jsp. Currently, what we are using? Edit profile.jsp. Why? Because I want to use the cookie. That's it, not more than that. Is it done? Please raise how many of you completed edit profile servlet? Raise hands. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. After 1 minute, we'll move on with edit profile.jsp. Make sure to change this. Previously, what you are having? Previously, what you are having? View profile. Currently, we are using edit profile. Please make sure to change that. All right, let's try to create our edit profile.jsp. Right click on web app, go to new, select JSP and edit profile.jsp. Give a click on next and finish. Okay, profile got created. Now here, first things first, let me try to okay. In edit profile.jsp, center tag. Let me use the scriptlet. Now here also I want to display this session belongs to the user. So the same code, let me first try to get the same code. Okay. Make sure to import user bean. Otherwise, you will be getting an error. User bean. Now, I just want to display this session belongs to the user. Okay. This session belongs to user. Okay. Now, let me just try to take one more scriptlet tag. You know what? Not exactly scriptlet tag. I'll be using form action tag. Form form action equal to, let me just try to go like update, update update method post. I'm going to use post. Okay. Now, inside this form action tag, first FIRST, first name, input type equal to text, name equal to, let me go like UF name and BR, just like this. First name, last name, what else I'm having? First name, okay, first name, last name, mail ID, phone number. First name, last name, mail ID, phone number. Okay. Last name, LAST. Mail ID, mail ID, and phone number. I'm only giving options to edit these. Username, obviously, I'm not going to give any option. Password also, I'm not going to give any option. Only these. So, L name, U mail, 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 and U phone, PHONE phone. And after that, obviously, input type equal to input type equal to submit, submit, and now value equal to just UPDAT update. Value equal to update. This is my form action tag. Now, after this, if we are giving a click on edit, just a second, let me edit profile. Edit. Okay, now let me just try to right click, run as, run on server. Username Kishan, password 1234, login. Okay, view profile. These are the values. Give a click on edit. You should be able to see something like this. You should be able to see something like this. If it is completed, please do let me know. Is it done? How many of you completed? Raise your hands, please. Very few. Come on, carry on, carry on, carry on. No problem, carry on. Okay. Is it done? No? How many of you completed? Please raise for one more time. Down. 2 more minutes, guys, starting from now. 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Where is the annotation? First, reduce the font. Hold control. Reduce the font. Why you are giving that much of? All right. Now, guys, please listen to me once. Listen, 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 listen. Okay. Now, I guess you are able to view like this. Online students, I need your opinion here. Please tell me, are you able to see like this? You know what? Actually, I want to display the data here. Previously, whatever the data which is present in the database, I want to display. So that if user wants to keep it the same, he will keep it. Otherwise, he will be changing it. What do you say? Yes. So coming to here, listen. First listen. Coming to our JSP page, here I'm going to write value. Okay. And I'll be using an expression tag. Expression tag. Yeah. Wait, where is this JSP? In JSP, we are having this expression tag. I'm going to use exactly the same tag here, but in the place of this, eyes on the board. Right. In the place of this, I'm already having my bean, right? In this bean, I'm already having the data, right? Yes. So bean dot get first name. Same. Let me try to from here to here. Okay, copy. First name, last name, mail ID, phone number. Just let me try to remove this. So still I'm having these errors. Cut, paste. Errors gone. Error gone. I did not did anything. Now let's try to execute. I hope you're understanding the point. So now here I can modify if I want to keep it like this. Otherwise, I'll modify according to my requirements. Am I clear with that? Online students, I need your opinion here. No, don't go for placeholder. Don't. Why? Placeholder is not required. Directly you can go with our expression tags. Na? In JSP, directly we are having that. What is use of that placeholder? Yeah. Can you please make this happen? Go ahead. And then we'll deal with the update. Edit profile. Okay. Access Nabin. Now we should go with update profile servlet. But before going to update profile servlet, we need to deal with update profile DAO. So anyways, first try to get this. After that, we'll deal with update profile DAO. Please. One minute. All right. Done? Done. Let's try to create. Okay, guys, listen. In this layout, login completed. View profile completed. Now we are giving a click on edit. Whenever we give a click on edit, directly it is going to edit profile servlet. From edit profile servlet, it is coming to edit profile JSP. In edit profile JSP, we are actually accessing the bean, accessing the user bean so that we'll be able to print the data also, right? Now, if we give a click on update, I mean here, if we give a click on update, this request should be going to update servlet. Which servlet? Here, update profile servlet. Now, update profile servlet should take the help of update profile DAO. Now tell me, which one we need to create? Update profile servlet or update profile DAO? I'm sorry. Let's go. Let's go. Right click, go to new, select a class, and here update profile, update profile DAO. Finish. Now inside this, I'm going to take a class, I mean a method, public int update data, just data, update data, and here I'm going to make it as a parameterizer method, and I'm going to pass user bean. Okay, just int row count equal to 0, row count equal to 0, and return return row count. Okay, now inside this I'm going to write try catch exception exception e dot print stack trace method. Okay, we know this. Now I'm going to call my connect method from db connect dot connect method. It is going to return me a connection object C1 connection object. Now inside this, I'm going to call con dot prepare statement, and here update. What is our table name? Registration. registration. Update registration set. Just a second. Let me open my database. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay. Update set first name. Hang on. Set FIRST first name equal to question mark. After that, LAST last name, LAST last name equal to question mark, and mail ID, mail ID equal to question mark. After that, phone, PHONE phone equal to question mark, where user name equal to question mark. Basically, this is the query. Okay. Equal to PSTMT belongs to prepared statement. Now I just need to set the values. Okay. PSTMT dot set string 1 for the first question mark. UB dot get user first name 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5 question marks. 2, 3, 4, 5. Get user first name, last name, and user mail ID, user phone, and here this is username name, just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After pstmt dot execute update, and its return type is row count. And that's exactly what I'm trying to return. That's it. How many of you completed this? 1 minute. Done. All right, guys, let's try to wind it up for today. Enough. You know why? Because after this update, we need to go with logout also. So we'll be completing this entire project by Monday. Up to now, how many of you completed this? Raise your hands. Okay, so let's try to deal with this by Monday. Is that okay for everyone? Online students, I need your opinion. Please respond to the chat for me. Is that okay? Guys, I told you Monday also we will be having the session and I'll confirm the holidays by Monday. From Tuesday onwards, you will be having that holidays, right? Anirudh, is that okay? Disha, Sunil, all the projects, all the pages I cannot show you right now. Today, whatever the pages which we have written, I'm going to show you today. All right, today from where we started, guys, please tell me from today where we started. Edit profile.jsp, right? Okay, we started from here. If anyone wants to take a pic, feel free to take a pic. Edit profile.jsp. After that, from here, we are going to update. Where is update? Yeah, update profile DAO. Update profile DAO. After that, only two we have written today. That's JSP. Which JSP? Edit profile servlet. What is that? View profile? View profile JSP. Oh, yeah, please. 3 pages. We wrote 3 pages today. It's okay. No worries. All right. That's it, guys. That's it for today. And we'll complete this project by Monday. All right, guys. Thank you. Thanks for listening. Online students, I guess you enjoyed our today's sessions. Rahimuddin, view profile servlet. You want to see that? Yeah, sure. View profile servlet. Okay. You did not got the code correctly. Check the code. You did not write the code correctly. If you are writing the code correctly, then you will be able to get that. What is that page? Tell me. Edit profile.jsp. Edit profile.jsp. From where you are getting this edit profile.jsp? From where we are going to this edit profile.jsp? Edit profile servlet. Where is edit profile servlet? In edit profile servlet, where is the cookie? Sometimes, yeah, obviously. Yes, yes. Otherwise, we can cross check like this also. Where is the page? What? Oh, you used the same. Password? File? Hmm. It's coming now. Okay. Where is the console? Restart. Restart once. Why? Because here I wrote the code that is not reflected here. If it is reflected here, then I'll be able to say that. Please restart and check. Still, if you are getting, then we'll Monday on. Yeah.